So I withdraw about $50,000 from my trading broker, as you can see right here. Focus on the camera. You can see I just withdraw like 50k right here. I just roll like a B-roll in case you guys can't see. And then I gave my mom like $15,000, 15k. And here's like her reply.
Thank you, 宝贝儿子 ，Thank you 啊，谢谢啊。宝贝儿子也是有厉害呀，有。
But as you guys can see, there's nothing like a motherly love, you know what I mean? Nobody else can love you like your mother too. Fuck, that is cringe. So basically in this unfiltered trading episode, I want to do something like special. So instead of having this unfiltered trading episode at like the end of like the video, I'm gonna do it at the front. Because right now we are out here in our vacation and this is like my second mini retirement this year, where I just like go and travel the world and just look at like this beautiful place, you know? Like I have the freedom to do that shit now. So my father said that he wanted to travel here and look at these beautiful mountains and enjoy like the cold weather and stuff. And without a single hesitation, not even an ounce of hesitation, I was like, you know what, Dad, pack your bag. I booked the entire trip, paid for the entire transport, paid for like the tickets and everything, and I just like flew him up here. And right now we're just like sitting out here and chilling in this like beautiful 5-star hotel, you know what I mean? Which I couldn't afford like 2 years ago, which is crazy. And I think this is why I've been working so hard for. And I'm trying to make this video to give you guys like a little bit of motivation to keep you going, to allow you not to give up, because it is your obligation to become successful for your family, especially if you are a man. It is your sacred duty to protect and provide for your loved ones. That is what I firmly believe in, especially if you are a man. Chances are, if you're watching this, I'm pretty sure you're a guy, right? Like 80% of the people watching this are bros. That's why I address you guys as bros. You know what I mean? So yeah, so make sure like you guys really not give up, right? This is so important. Let me just remind you why you shouldn't give up. Check out this Pang view out here. You can hear like the birds chirping and stuff. You can see like, Jesus Christ, I am so grateful right now, bro. I'm so grateful right now. I'm literally like so grateful of my life right now. Like words can't even explain how grateful I am of everything right now. I'm so grateful that I'm making these videos for you guys and just like teaching you guys how to trade for free on my YouTube. And this has just bring me so much fulfillment because I'm helping thousands of young men and women all over the world, compared to, you know, like just hiding all the knowledge for myself and trading for myself. Oh, I make $10,000 today, and that shit doesn't bring me fulfillment. Like I don't feel fulfilled trading, but I feel fulfilled making these videos for you guys, which is why I do what I do. Okay, this might sound a little bit selfish, but it's so that I can feel fulfilled by helping other people. I don't know if this sounds selfish or what, but like, that is the honest truth. They say money can't buy happiness. But do you think that your family will be fucking happy if you are broke and you can't put food on the table? Fuck no. That's why I say that it is your obligation to be successful. You have to be successful. It is not a choice. If you truly love your loved ones, you will become successful. Not for yourself, but for their own good. And a lot of you guys who know my story, you guys will know that like literally like 2 years ago, I was literally working like a minimum wage job and just like serving tables and getting alcohol spilled all over my body and making like $7 per hour. How fucked is that? $7 per hour. And now I think back, I'm just like, why the fuck did I even work for $7 per hour? That is a joke. I make that in a minute now. I remember like life was like really tough, especially if you're broke. Like you have to like worry about anything that you spend on, and you're like, oh, should I buy this $3 chicken rice or this $5 chicken rice? Oh, you know what? I'm gonna pick the $3 one and just like sacrifice the quality and stuff. So I'm telling you guys that like I've been in the position that you guys are in right now, and maybe some of you guys could even be more luckier than me. And fast forward to like 2 years later, I've achieved my freedom. I can travel whenever I want, I can work whenever I want, I can make these videos for free for you guys and without having to charge you guys for some stupid sickness or something. And yeah, like life is just great, you know what I mean? I think that a lot of you guys are having limitations on yourself. You guys might think that because of your circumstances, you won't have the opportunity to become successful. Oh, because I live in India and I only make $5 per hour. Fuck that. It's not your circumstances that define who you are. It is your own hard work. Of course, circumstances play a part. Like if you do not have clean water to drink, then it is very hard for you to become successful, right? Because you might like die at a young age or something. So my question for you would be, has a person with similar circumstances as you achieved what you want to achieve in life? Has someone who can't afford clothes be successful in life? Has someone who lives in India be successful in life? Yes. Has someone who is short be successful, you guys. Yes, your circumstances does not define who you are. It's ultimately still up to you, you know what I mean? Yup, so make sure you guys stop whining like a little bitch and just say that, oh, I blow 5 accounts today and I'm shit at trading, hoo. Fuck that, put in the work, man. Like literally put in the work, get locked in and focus on becoming a better trader instead of like focusing on making the most amount of money in the shortest amount of time. Like, oh, I'm gonna flip $100 to 100k in 7 days. Fuck that. Focus on becoming a better trader. Focus on building your discipline. Start writing in your trading journal, follow your trading plan. I literally have like a student who do all this shit, right? Like he's disciplined as fuck. Like he is so locked in right now and he just made like $11,000 from his FTMO account and today he just made another $4,000. And the reason why he's able to achieve so much success is because he is so disciplined, bro. Like he literally like journals in his trading journal every single trade he took and then he sent me to look through and I'm just so goddamn impressed. Because like he's only like 3 years into the market and he has this like laser focused discipline that no one else has, and that itself set him apart from the entire competition. And chances are if you're watching this, you are one of his competition and guess what? He's destroying you. He's absolutely fucking destroying you. So the question is, what are you gonna do about it? Are you gonna pick up your pace and start getting locked in so that you can chase up to him? Or are you just gonna be a total loser and sit around and watch Netflix, just chill and become satisfied being average in your life? Like once again, I'm just like so goddamn grateful that I'm making these videos for you guys. Like you guys make me happy. And by the way, I read literally all the comments, alright? I'm so sorry that recently I haven't been able to reply to all of your comments like I used to. I literally used to like reply to all my comments because like I get so less comments and god damn it, the freaking exhauster is firing up. Let me go in. I literally used to be able to like reply to everybody's comments because like I get so less comments on my videos. It was like 10 comments per video. So I reply to all my comments and then recently like the videos can kind of like popping off and then we get like an overwhelming amount of comments. So bear with me guys, like I'm trying to be as accommodating as possible and I'm gonna try to like reply all my comments. But with that said, remember I'm literally reading all your comments, alright? So just comment down below what you guys think of this unfiltered trading episode. Does this episode like motivated you guys or some shit? And just let me know, you know, like just let me know what you guys think of like this style of vlogs things, because I enjoy doing this style of vlogs things because it just allow me to be my authentic self and stuff. And by the way, I really read all my comments. Like whatever you comment, I will read it. So do not worry if I don't like it or comment or reply to your comment, I'm still reading it, alright? I'm just way too overwhelmed right now with all the work, all the editing videos to comment on your videos. But don't worry, I'm gonna try my best to respond to all my comments, especially on this video right now. I'm definitely gonna like all the comments and just like comment down below. I mean just like reply to your comments. So right now I'm gonna go to the amusement park with my family and gonna record like a little vlog for you guys. What's up guys? Welcome to the unfiltered trading episode. If you have watched the price action video, you will know that I made about $10,000 trading gold like yesterday or something. Made about $10,000, very quick trade on gold, right? And I only like briefly explained to you a little bit on the trade like during the price action video. So in this video, I just want to like go in depth into like how I personally managed this trade and how I personally traded this gold trade, right? So right now you can see like gold, it was clear as day. Price was in the downtrend a few days ago, clear as day, very beautiful downtrend right here. So at this point of time, I saw that price was in the downtrend and I went to the 50-minute time frame to look for my entry, right? I went like the last unfiltered trading episode, I took a buy position like somewhere right around here, but ended up that trade did not go as well, ended up broke even on that trade. It is what it is, right? Because I broke even, I moved my stop loss, broke even. The important point here is that like I lost like 2 gold trades on gold, and I just won one and I'm still profitable. I still made a shit ton of money on the trade that I just won right here. Made about $10,000, and when I lose about $1,000, $2,000, right? I lose super duper little. And it's really just pure price action. I basically saw price coming down to like this major support area that we have marked up right here. If you look towards the left, it was like somewhere right around here. Yeah, you can see like there's a support area, which I marked out on the daily time frame if I'm not wrong. Let me look at the daily. Yep, right here, daily time frame, you can see this is where the candlestick closed, right? So you can draw like a little support area right here. So this is a very strong support area. This is where like there is demand, there is buyers looking to enter for a buy position right here. So I marked up that area and I know that price is definitely gonna come down to this area, because remember, price move from one level to the next level. Price does not just go anywhere, it has to move from one area to the next area. price just broken through this area. Guess what? It's gonna come down to this area right here. So that's what price did. Price came back down to this area here. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna enter for a quick scalp. I'll just get in and out fast. So I get in like somewhere right around here. I think it was on the 5-minute or even the 15-minute time frame. I remember it was like a super duper quick scalp. Right here, right? You can see it right here. I know that for a fact, price is gonna come down to this area and it's gonna touch it and it's gonna close below it, right? Because right now on the 5-minute, price will definitely come down to this area. It will go back up, right? It will go back up at this support area, but yes, to like go past through it. So I'll just enter for a buy position right here. Very quick scalp. I saw like this little weak rejection right here. This is a little bit of liquidity. You can see price creating a lower high, and you can see like right here. This is literally when price pushed all the way up here, but then it got rejected, coming back down, and you can see this moving average is acting as like the moving resistance level. Like its price is just unable to break past the moving average. So price did not do that. Price come back up to retest this moving average and then just came back all the way down. So I just entered for a buy here. Very quick scalp, and then I just got out of the trade right here when I reached like around 1:2.66 reached to reward. It was like a very short trade because like I know that price is going to reverse at this support area since this is a very strong support area. So I did not want to hold the trade all the way like down here or something. I just get out like right here, very quick scalp. Because my thought process was that I'm going to enter for a buy position somewhere right around this support area. When I see the momentum shift, then that is when I will enter for the buy position. So I scale back up to the 15-minute time frame because I freaking hate trading the 5-minute time frame. If you are a total beginner, newbie trader, please do not look at 5-minute time frame. If you look at 5-minute time frame, you're just gonna be gambling, alright? And I do not want you to have that gambling mindset. So if you are a beginner, try to at least use like the 15-minute time frame. So I went back to the 15-minute time frame and I see like price is losing momentum. How do I know that? Look at right here. At this area, this is when price is making small candlesticks. Behind is always making huge candlesticks. A lot of momentum, a lot of selling pressure pushing the price down. But at this point of time, price is making small candlesticks at a key level. When you see small candlesticks being formed at a key level, chances are it is not going to break past that key support level. I need you to drill that into your head, alright? When you see small candlesticks at a key level, it is not breaking past that key level. Because if price wanted to break past that level, it'll make giant candlesticks with a lot of momentum like this, which it did. But then guess what? Price went back up like this, so it was like a total fake out. So I pretty much saw like this little consolidation at this little support level. Price is just consolidating, not going anywhere. So I drew like a little resistance area somewhere right around here, and then I entered for the trade somewhere right around here when I see that price is breaking out of this little consolidation, right? It's going to head back up, right? So that is when I entered for a buy somewhere right around here. This is when the moving average has crossed over, right? The moving average crossed over. I entered for a buy somewhere right around here, and as this trade goes in my way, right, I keep on scaling in. So I remember when price like come back up to retest this little resistance area that we have drawn right here, I entered for another buy position somewhere right around here. So total we had about like 3 trades running to my take profit, right? 3 trades running to my take profit, which is all the way up here, right? I remember this was like a 1:4 trade, yeah, 1:4 trade. The reason why I placed my take profit up there is because like it lines up with the trend line, right? So this could totally be like a retest and price could still like go down to create a new lower low and just continue going back down, which it did not, luckily. So price just went back up. But you know what? I was just like, I'm not gonna take that chance that price is going to break past this little trend line, because remember, nothing is ever guaranteed in this market, right? Just because you think that price is gonna break through this trend line does not mean that price will break through this trend line. The market can do anything it wants. So I just played it safe by placing my take profit at this little trend line right around here, and it also lines up with like the little resistance area being formed right here, a very strong resistance area. So that is where I placed my take profit, and as you can see, I closed all 3 trades and end up making about a good amount of money. Alright, a good amount of money. I'm comfortable, right? And I literally talk about like this exact strategy in the trading entry video which I just did on this channel. So if you want to learn more about this momentum shift strategy, this price action strategy, check out this video right here to learn more. I literally did like a full tutorial on this strategy, so just click on this video right now. Welcome to the tribe, and remember, you're just one trade away.